In a quiet village, there lived a young scholar named Li Wei. Diligent and hardworking, Li Wei spent his days engrossed in his studies, rarely looking up from his books. He believed that success lay in mastering facts and knowledge, never questioning the path he was on. One day, a wise traveler named Mei Lin visited the village. Mei Lin was known for her insights and ability to see beyond the surface. She noticed Li Wei's unwavering focus on his studies and sensed an unexplored depth within him. Curious, Mei Lin struck up a conversation with Li Wei. She shared Confucius's timeless quote, "The unexamined life is the most wasted." Seeing his puzzled expression, she elaborated. "Imagine life as a tapestry," Mei Lin began. "Each thread represents an experience, a thought, a choice. To simply weave without ever stepping back to examine the pattern is to waste the potential for a beautiful masterpiece." Li Wei was intrigued, but he questioned how deep contemplation could enhance his studies. Mei Lin gently encouraged him to take a step back, to reflect on the purpose behind his pursuit of knowledge. As Li Wei began to reflect, he realized that his studies had been driven by external expectations, not by his own passions. He had overlooked his own desires in the quest for academic success. This realization was like a splash of cold water, awakening him to the unexamined path he'd been treading. With newfound determination, Li Wei began to delve into his inner desires, exploring what truly ignited his curiosity. He started aligning his studies with his interests and values, feeling a renewed sense of purpose. As years passed, Li Wei became a respected scholar, but more importantly, he became a person who had examined his life's choices. Mei Lin's lesson had transformed him, proving Confucius's words true. The life he had once considered well-lived was now recognized as a fraction of what it could have been. Through Li Wei's journey, the village learned that true fulfillment lies in pausing to examine the threads of one's life, ensuring that each choice aligns with purpose and passion. And so, the story of Li Wei echoed Confucius's wisdom, a reminder that a life unexamined is indeed the most wasted.